Okay, tell me about this cycle.
Okay, it's a 50 cc two-stroke motor. It's exhaust pipe hanging down there. It's a 21-speed giant. It's a gas tank on the top, and then
Okay.
there's the fuel filter going down. It's a little carburetor down there where the fuel filter goes into. There's the head where the spark plug is. There's a little coil, that wire that goes over to the frame to coil. It's mounted in two places. Motor mounts there.
Okay. So
It's,
you have converted this.
There's a guy downtown that does it. There's kits that you can get to do it. This is, I originally did it with a smaller motor, like a 50 cc motor, and because I'm so large, it's not a good idea. You have to get pedaling to start it. There's no starter on it, and there's a clutch on it. You let the clutch out and it gets it going.
Okay.
But because I'm so little heavy, if I wasn't going fast enough, it would rip the clutch out and the transmission out of it. That's what happened to the first one. The second one, kind of the same thing. So they went to the bigger motor, and the first one was no good out of the box. So they put this one on, and this one seems to be all right.
So how do you compare this with those battery operated ones?
But here's the thing.
Price
I got a
wise,
gas jug, and I can go as long as it still works. All right? I got 1 gallon jugs and a 2 gallon jug. When I run out of gas, I just put more gas in it.
okay,
Them, I had an electric one.
okay.
My range was only around 12 miles.
Oh,
And you got to charge it up for like 5 hours. It doesn't do me any good.
5 hours just
My
to
battery
go.
took like 5 hours, yeah, to fully charge it.
Okay.
The size of the battery. It doesn't do me any good. Because if I ride, those battery ones, most of the battery ones are pedal assist. You're also supposed to pedal along with them.
Yeah.
This you are also too. Up until a certain, till you get up to speed. And if you're on a hill or something, to help along, you're supposed to pedal. The pedal assist. The electric one that I had was, well, the first one I had was a gas powered conversion kit. It was basically a weed whacker motor. Somebody designed it. It ran on the tire. It made the tire spin.
Okay.
But the problems with that was very underpowered. If the drum got wet and the tire got wet, it just spin.
Oh.
And it wore the tires out 5 times faster than it
Yeah,
should.
yeah.
Because it was actually rubbing on the tire all the time.
Yeah.
Tire's only good for maybe 300 miles where they should last, 1,000. They didn't last quite a bit.
Yeah.
But I finally blew that one up. And then I went to the same guy that told me that one, he had an electric one. And it was one of them folding ones. Fold them up.
Yeah,
It's like his electric cars. He wanted it, so he put it in the trunk of his car. So he got it that way.
yeah. Okay.
But it had the electric motor. Unlike the others, there's one guy around here who's got one. The electric motor is built into the front rim there. And here back a little over a year ago, I went in and, anyways, needless to say, I came around the corner of a road, and a guy was parked in front of his house where he shouldn't have been, and I was going faster than I should have been. He blocked my view. I couldn't see down the road. I didn't think there was any cars coming. So I go around the corner, and just as I go around the corner, cut the corner short, guy in a BMW came around and parked right where I was going. Which isn't fun when you're going 25 miles an hour. I had to right to a car that's sitting there.
Yeah, yeah.
So I steered off to the right. I got up on the sidewalk and I found myself looking at the guy's garage doors. So I turned it to the left and hit the brakes. But I didn't hurt myself. I just damned myself. My front tire hit, them concrete units in front of houses, porch steps, the prefab ones. I hit a 6-tier one of them, popped my front tire. And I'm unable to find out because I didn't purchase it online